just the way you look tonight. Build on the phone. You're
You can creep on up.
You see, we're not all polished and pretty impressed, and it's the talent beneath my city that's got me pretty impressed. And they're playing for pennies, so you know they don't rest. It shows that you can still astonish while working with less. I asked would it kill me to show a little respect. He said I used to be so filthy till these hits weren't hitting, then the hits started hitting, they've been hitting ever since. And when you swing for your dreams, kids, careful not to miss. These streets don't know pity or forgiveness. And with all that we've abolished the shitty, tell me why can't we abolish this? And I've got so much gratitude for the Northwest, but sometimes our attitude's a little fist to chest. We could use more hi-dos, fist bumps, and chest to chest. Remember, your smile is power to the powerless.
When the night has come, I thank you, Lord. Have a good day in the school. Stand by me. If the stars I look up for, I thank you, Saturday, and the moon will maybe only light I see. Oh, yeah.
So before any more of our city gets leveled and sold, put down your phone and unplug those ear holes and listen to the sounds of our city with so much soul. To hear the sounds of my city's where I must go, but it's the sounds of my city from down below with a plan for pennies and a nice hello. When I saw the duct tape to cover the cracks on the guitar case, a couple threads left on the strap to hold that guitar in place, a couple laughs left on that out-of-place face, I said, here's a tribute from my heart to help you keep on rocking this place.